Hey everyone, this is Jeff again, here with the OnePlus 5T and the Sandstone Protective Case, direct from OnePlus. This was $20 as you guys can see, but I also had the joy of picking up the limited edition OnePlus 5T in Sandstone White, and it looks like it might actually be sold out already. But I want to show you guys what the Sandstone case looks like, and give you my first impressions of it, and let you know if it's worth your 20 bucks. Let's get into it. So looking at the packaging, it's pretty much just a cardboard or paper on top of plastic, and you just rip it off, and then you're greeted with the protective case itself. So looking at the case, immediately I noticed that there is no protective covering on the inside. It is just that hard plastic. And then looking at the outside, you see that sandstone covering material all over the back. And a little bit of a closer up view of the sandstone case shows that there is a good bit of texture on this cover. Taking a closer look at the sandstone white finish on the OnePlus 5T limited edition, it's definitely beautiful. It is a matte finish, but something that I've already noticed is that it's not nearly as grippy or as textured as the protective case. Comparing the Sandstone White 5T with the black protective case also in sandstone, definitely see a nice contrast. Getting the phone into the case is a pretty simple affair, just line up the corners and push down. And looking around, you can definitely see that there are precise cutouts for the fingerprint sensor and the camera, which you would expect given that this is an OEM case. Continuing to look around, the left has the cutouts for the volume rocker and the alert slider, and then on the right side there's that cutout for the power button. Keep in mind that the top and bottom of the case do not protect the 5T, and so that won't really protect the phone all too well. The case provides a little bit of protection for the cameras, as there is a little bit of a raised edge for the lenses to protect it when you set it down on the table. Likewise, the sides of the case are raised above the screen, so that when you place the phone upside down on a table or other smooth surface, it's well protected. The same goes for the corners, as you guys can see here, and it provides just enough protection to put the phone upside down without worry. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Overall, I think that the Sandstone protective case for the OnePlus 5T is a good option for you, as long as you keep in mind that inner lining doesn't exist and it's just a hard plastic that might rub off the finish. But I really do like the contrast of the Sandstone White on the 5T with the black protective sandstone case. I think it's a nice look and definitely something I would recommend. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos on smartphones and of course the OnePlus 5T. Thanks everyone.